Hierarch, one of our combat units can be assigned a new faction through the console in the War Council.
I assume your plan is to bind these robotic warriors to your will.
They will be allowed their freedom, much like Phoenix. Making slaves of them is what led to their revolt before.
Oh, this foolish idealism taxes my patience.
Idealism? They are the replications of our greatest champions. We seek to free your people from Malash, and yet you desire to enslave mine?
I care not for freedom, it softens a people. I will dethrone Malash and save my kind from oblivion, but they will not be free. They will serve me. Freedom is a delusion, granted to the weak by the strong.
You speak as Amon does. For the sake of your life, that will change.
Instill the Phoenix machine as the new executor of the Purifiers, and use them as the tools of destruction they were built to be.
Cybros will not be able to resist the Zerg for long. We should move quickly if we hope to save the Purifiers.
I require your honest counsel, Phoenix. Do you believe the Purifiers will join us?
I do not know. They may harbor rage, resentment for the actions of our forebears.
The Daylom is not the Conclave. We are united in purpose, like never before.
And that is why the Purifiers must be allowed to choose their fate for themselves. Without freedom, a people can be controlled, but never united.
This is true, and yet the Firstborn have ill need of another enemy.
And I believe in you to not create one. Your actions determine the future of both the Templar and the Purifiers. But now is the time to act, Hierarch.
You are right. The way forward may be difficult, but it is necessary. Thank you, my friend. Your plan worked, Karax. The stasis grid is down. We must act now.
If we can bring Cybros online, the battle station should begin to defend itself.
And the Purifiers?
They have lain dormant for millennia. They may still harbor anger towards us. If they turn on us, we will have to fight.
We failed them before, not understanding what it was we had birthed. These personalities may be replications, but they are alive.
After spending so much time with Phoenix, I share your belief.
Why was Endion chosen as the world Cybros was to orbit?
For thousands of years, it has been a research retreat. Here, Protoss scholars secluded themselves from political affairs to focus on the task of devising technology that would benefit the Empire. The Psi Matrix was first conceived here. When it was decided that the Purifiers would be shut down, they became a symbol of achievement, but also the dangers of it.
So they were brought to a research colony.
Where better than a place where our greatest scientists resided, constantly improving Cybros' stasis field.
And how many resided on the world below?
800,000 Kalai, a contingent of Templar.
I only hope their deaths were swift.
We have received new robotic siege technology, Hierarch. Please make your selection.
With the stasis grid down, the Zerg have begun infesting the surface of Cybros. We do not have long if we wish to save the Purifiers. Your Templar are ready, Hierarch. Give the word, and it shall be reclaimed. These Zerg are truly as tenacious as the archives claim. Their infestation already spreads across the surface.
And Amon's hybrid has begun fortifying the hives. We must hope for the aid of the Purifiers to win this battle.
Indeed. According to the station schematics, Cybros' power architecture is divided into 4 distinct quadrants. Each is sealed by 3 null circuits. Destroying all of the circuits in a quadrant should restore its power, activating at least some of the Purifiers.
We will need to keep a watchful eye upon the core matrix. If the Zerg destroy it, Cybros falls as well.
We should try to locate the null circuits as soon as it is safe to do so, Hierarch.
Artanis, there are unpowered cannons placed near the core matrix. With enough fortification, this would be a defensible position.
Yes. Very well. So be it. For ire.
There, a null circuit. Destroy it, and power should begin to flow again.
Annihilation. Our triumph. Nah, Adam. Yuko.
You have not enough minerals.
Mirage Gulio. I walk the shadowed path. Zerashk Gulida. Give I right on. Boldly. The fallen still serve, as the shadow wills. Force is preparing to move on the core matrix. Warriors, defend the core! Very well. Boldly. So be it. Our blades meet the enemy. Our triumph is at you call upon me.
circuits. The Purifiers will attack the Zerg and slow their attacks upon the core. Flow increasing exponentially. It's working! The Purifiers are activating.
I'm detecting a Purifier awakening on its own. Wait, something is amiss. The AI has gone rogue.
Its Solarite memory lattice has grown irreversibly unstable. We should disable it. At least we can put its Solarite to use.
I am Executor Clolarian. I address the leader of the Firstborn.
Executor Clolarian, your deeds are taught to all Templar, even to this day.
Cease your adulation. Why do you seek the Purifiers?
Brothers, you were created to protect the Empire, yet we did not treat you as you deserved, as true Templar. I implore you to forgive our ancestors' mistakes, to take up your ancient charge once more, and join us as equals.
We will see if you speak truth. You will aid us in purifying this alien threat. Only then shall we discuss this further. Sentinels! Advance upon the alien stronghold! Purify the invaders! They have begun guarding the null circuits. We await our charge.
Firstborn, I remember. Betrayal. Death. Unacceptable.
The Zerg are attacking from the northeast. They're trying to break through our nexus point.
The core matrix is under attack. It must not fall.
Understood, Phoenix. I will see the Solarite is recovered properly.
I have returned. You call upon me. Eraj Julio. Zoc Talon. Yes. The fallen still serve. As the shadow will. Erma. Boldly. So very well. I fight on. Our triumph is at hand. We await our triumph is at hand. For ire, Neraj Gulio.
Upgrade base is under attack.
The fallen still serve. So be it. I fight on. Boldly. For ire. As the shadow will. Adam Silos.
Null circuits destroyed. Station at half power.
Boldly.
Purifiers! Our home is under assault by alien forces. Move out and eliminate them. The Zerg are attacking the core matrix. Repel their assault.
We stand once. For Neraj Gulio. Zeraj
Matrix. We must tighten its defenses.
Grouping of null circuits is located here.
I fight on.
The third quadrant is coming online now. Cybros is at 75% power.
The fallen still serve. Zerashk.
Brothers, our time has come. Eliminate the alien bioforms with extreme prejudice.
You call upon me?
Seals are fully unlocked. Cybros is awakening. Hierarch, Cybros has reached full power, and the Purifiers are cleansing the station of the Zerg.
Fight on, brothers. Slaughter them to the last.
Wait, I've been disconnected from Cybros' systems. The core is activating. It's going to fire.
Lorian, what are you... Commencing purification.
biosigns disappearing. The surface of Endion has been cleansed of life.
It is over.